We will code this product page. It has all of these animations, selections. So let's begin coding. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below. Let's start coding. I'm gonna put this in the GitHub, so it's in app, this folder. Other folders are for different tutorials, so all of the code is in this file. Use client because I'm using NextJS, and then import some imports. You need motion and animate presence from Framer Motion. You need to npm install Framer Motion and npm install Lucid React. Let's make interface, ID, name, price, designer quote, description, features, color, sizes, image URLs, related products. It's array of numbers here. Okay, and then sandals. So this is going to be array of IDs. Okay, so let's create sandals, and then this is mock data for the product. ID1, name, price, designer quote, description, features, colors, sizes, image URL, related products 2 and 3. Let's just create a bunch of these. You can copy this from my GitHub. Then let's create the React component. Current index of the currently selected product, I think. Let's see what this current index is, and then direction, selected color, selected size. We'll see what these two are. Okay, so paginate, set direction, set current index, then set selected color, set selected size. Current sandal is sandal's current index. Now return div motion.div. This is to make some like motion. So we have transition duration 1, opacity, initial opacity 0. This is we will make. This is initial loading, I think I will show you. So we have this title. Let's save this and see what we have by now. So if I reload, we have just this kind of loading. This is the animation. Then below make a div, and then animate presence, another motion, and then we're gonna have motion div. So enter, so X direction is like this, and we're gonna have center, and we're gonna have exit like this. So I'm gonna show you this animation soon. Initial is enter, animate center, exit exit, transition. Just copy paste this. This is just the transition commands, and then style, and then make some div. I don't know if this will show anything. It will show something, but we need more elements for this to really shine. And then div image, so width, height, everything. So I'm gonna check it now. If I reload, it won't do anything yet. This is for the transition, I think. So when we select different colors, so let's go make a div below, title, a designer quote, and this is gonna be description, price, div to select colors, div map colors, motion button, and then we're gonna have ring if it's selected, or nothing if it's not selected, this for this particular color, style background color, on click set selected color, while hover scale, while tap scale down. So let me see here. This is what we have by now. Okay, let's continue. Oh my god. Okay, so div size, map sizes, motion button. So this is size. Let's see what sizes we have. And then we're gonna add some class names here. So we get different kinds of sizes. Let's go below. This is gonna be another like motion button, but let's see. This is add to bag, and then below div features, and then we're gonna list all features like that. We have this and feature list. Then let's go below everything. This is pagination. Yeah, this is other products. So let me save this. Let me see what this is. It's not appearing. Maybe we need some other elements. So let's do the same again. And let's continue below. Div. You might also like. And then map related products. So we're gonna find the related products in this sandals object. And then we're gonna return something. So motion div again. And then image of the related product. Let's continue related. So we have product price, view details, and below everything we have another motion div. But let me show you what this looks like. We have these related products, and then below let's say worldwide shipping and all this good stuff. And then let's also say 30 days return. And let's also say exclusive collection. So I think this is it. We have all of these hover effects and stuff. Thank you for watching. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below.